Hey YouTube, I am back. So I'm doing another small haul. I went to Hobby Lobby, Walmart, and Michael's. Yes. Okay. So mostly the majority of this haul was for jewelry, jewelry stuff. Now, I just caught the Spring Black Friday deal at Michael's, and they were selling their strung beads, all of them for um, $3. And then the I think I forget it was the green ones I think were 70% off, something like that. So all of their strung beads were $3. And y'all know that their strung beads, especially the nicer ones, are usually $9 and change. So that went on from yesterday, I believe, till today. So I took advantage of that, and I got me a lot of stuff that I wanted to get, and I'm gonna share them with you right now. So I got these stones. I love natural stones, semi-precious beads. It is, sometimes they say what it is in the back here, but it's probably a quartz. Yep, quartz. Okay, nuggets. Look at that. Now I have some things in mind for how I'm gonna use these, but anyways, this is what I got. So then I got these beads, which I thought were so cute because they have that crackled effect. I got this, and I got a smaller version of the same thing, crackled version. I love that look, and I think they're quartz as well. Yep, crackle quartz. Okay, these are all semi-precious stones. Then I got this guy. It's pretty. I love the color. Look at that. All right, and it is, let's see. Oh, this one doesn't say. This one doesn't say, but it is a genuine stone. No, it doesn't say. Usually it says on the package, it says strung beads. It doesn't say what it is. Anyway, very pretty. I like it. And you're gonna notice I have a lot of those types of stones here, and that's because I'm gonna be doing some stuff anyways, and I don't have a lot of beads this shape. Usually they're round or they're oval or whatever, so I was just or you know, just kind of nuggets and different shapes. So okay, and this is from their Sedona collection, and they were, this one doesn't say either. Okay, whatever, but it's kind of like a turquoise or something like that. All right, and then I got another. This one is more green tone to it. The other one has more actual turquoise look to it, and then, you know, so yeah, you can see the light is going down outside, so it's kind of not picking up as brightly as it was previously. Now this one is jasper, sliced jasper. Look at that, beautiful. Look at the purples in that, and the pinks and the browns. Love it. And the, yeah, I said pinks already. Anyways, I think that's beautiful. And then I got my favorite, which is my birthstone, amethyst, rough nuggets. Love it, love it, love it always. I can't never buy too many amethyst stones. I love them. And then I got this one, which is like a turquoise. Let's see what it says. Does it say? It doesn't say. Just a semi-precious. Oh, jasper. It is jasper. Jasper. Then I got these, the Druzies. Love it. Of course it doesn't say, but they're Druzy. It's a turquoise quartz. I don't have any of these in my bead collection. And then this one here. See it? Alright, I love it. And then here is the blue. It's like a peacock, the peacock ore type. Look at that. It's very nice. I love this one. I picked up like 2 of them and then I put them back just because I was like, I should, you know. Here's another one, but it's a lighter. It's lighter. And it has more, it's more like a grayish, and it's peacockish as well. It has that iridescent glow to it. That's really, really super pretty. Okay. And then at Michael's, I got, that was it for the jewelry at Michael's, or the you know, the beads at Michael's. I got Recollections, embossing powder, and this is a pretty color. I liked it. And then it was like buy one get the other one half off, so. And then I got this one here, which is another, and let me see what the color is on this. I can't even make out the color because it's too sparkly in there. All right. And this one is Vintage Lilac, but I can't make out the name on this one, but it's okay. They're both beautiful. Okay, so that's embossing powders. Want to get back and start embossing some more and doing some more cards. And Walmart, I picked up these 2 paints, the Color Shift paints. OMG, they're pretty pricey. They're like it's like 2 fluid ounces. I think they were like $3, and they're folk art. You know, folk art, usually you get them for like $1 and change. So I think they were like, no, they were not $3. They were like about $5, I think. But I love this color. I love that. It's pretty. Look at that. It's beautiful. But anyways, I am doing some painting projects. And I'm doing a lot of projects right now. I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things, and I've been feeling good, ready to do what. Oh, this was from Michael's, guys. Sorry, 16 gauge wire. I forgot about this, but anyways, here it is. All right, but yeah, so I've been getting back into a lot of my craft making, my jewelry making, my paintings, etc. Hobby Lobby. I picked up these 3 from Hobby Lobby. I make earrings, wood earrings. I never use this one here, but I don't have this shape, so I figured, what the heck, let's go ahead and try it. But these, I usually make earrings, and I made some for my mom to carry back to the Virgin Islands, excuse me, to the Virgin Islands to sell. Let me show you one. I'm gonna show you guys a video at one point of my earrings, but here's one of them. Here's one of the pairs that I made. Let's see if I can bring it up closer. Okay, again, my lighting is going out, so I do these different shapes, and not only that style, but or design, but that's what I have. Well, I have more, but that's another video because I have a lot more. So I use these wood chips, and I'm gonna try something with these ones. They're a little smaller, but not everybody wants tiny or huge earrings, but you know how we do, y'all. Anyways, that is all, guys. Thank you so much. Whenever I get something new or a new project that I want to share with you, I don't know, I'm working on a journal right now, and I am not done with it. So as soon as I'm done with that, I will let you guys know. and you will be able to come on over and say, or check it out and say hi and comment and like, subscribe, etc. And please do the same on this video. You guys have a great day. Love you. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.